Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial you will learn how you can use the incognito mode on YouTube on your PC or laptop. So let us get started right away. Alright guys, so head over to YouTube, make sure that you're logged in with your channel, and let's say for example you're logged into your channel and would like to browse through YouTube anonymously by enabling the incognito mode. To do that guys, you will need to apply one of the following tricks, because as you can see guys, if I click on my channel icon in the top right corner, there won't be any incognito button or feature available here. So we will need to bypass this obstacle. The first option would be to simply click again into your channel icon in the top right corner and to access this section here of your channel, your data in YouTube. That is going to take you to this section here, your data in YouTube. So here guys, simply scroll all the way down till you get to YouTube controls and click into your YouTube watch history, or simply click on that arrow to the right icon here. That is going to redirect you to these activity controls, and basically what will be needed to be done guys is to disable your watch history on YouTube, so that YouTube can't for example build your recommendations in your home feed on your channel based on your watch history, because there won't be any watch history anymore. So this is almost like browsing through YouTube anonymously or in incognito mode. So simply click on turn off here, disable your watch history, and start browsing and using YouTube anonymously. The second option guys would be, it may appear pretty self-explanatory at this point, you may simply use your web browser, in this case your Google Chrome for example, in its incognito mode. You may do that by clicking on these three dots on the top right and by selecting new incognito window here from the drop down menu, or use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+N on your keyboard, and that is going to open up Google Chrome in a completely new incognito window. For example, if you access youtube.com, you will see that window here asking you to accept cookies. And that's basically it guys, that's how it works. As you can see, there's no watch history whatsoever in the incognito mode. You will see the incognito badge here in the top right corner of Google Chrome. So you may click on it and click on close incognito to close that window. And that's how it works guys. That's the two alternative solutions to this issue. Thanks for watching and see you next time.